This is Ramblin' Rusty. Today I took the 3rd and 4th graders from Shenandoah Valley Adventist Elementary School. We went on a nature walk, and now getting back, the ladies, here's just a couple of the pictures. After finding the flowers and identify them, they had to draw them. We went up around the corner of the property, past the Emmanuel's ground, through the woods and back, finding the flowers. We found about 20 different flowers. As I got back here, I noticed out here, looking at the sidewalk. Here on the sidewalk are a number of names and handprints. Here's Peter's. Michael. Joel, there it is, Joel. Dawn. Can't figure out names there.
You better help me.
Here's Joy. Another one. Terry. There's Barney. 97.
I can't help that.
Upside down.
I can't help
Probably
that.
a shadow otherwise.
3, 2, 1.
I remember doing this. My classroom
That ain't my job.
was right outside the door.
What?
And so we made the form for them to pour the cement. And here's Jasmine. And over here, we're going to get in the shadow for some of them. Anyway, it was real neat to be in here. Right now, the students are getting ready to go home. They have to do different jobs around the school. One of them is to empty the trash. And so it's neat. I had spent 12 wonderful years teaching here. Things have changed quite a bit, but life goes on. Ramblin' Rusty signing off for now. So long.